Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to buy a yacht on GTA Online. So, if you want to buy a yacht after you have sufficient money, all you have to do is just take out your phone pressing the scroll button on your mouse. And go in the option Internet and just click it. And after that, go in the option Travel and Transport and just click on it. And go for the option doctees.com and just select it. As you can see at the first, it's featured right here and just click on it. And click on create your own super yacht. So after that, you can select any model, do next, select the fittings, do next, and select the presidential, do next, and also choose the color for your yacht and do next again. And also you can put up a flag and type a name on your yacht. So guys, that's how you buy a yacht on GTA Online. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.